What's up, guys? Let's go on a trip to Cancun. Grab a drink from Air Margaritaville, hop in your private transportation, and head on downtown to the Fives Downtown Hotel and Residences. Now, this is a hotel, so it's not all-inclusive, but there's this Bob Marley Cafe, as well as 2 other restaurants for you to grab a bite to eat. We were greeted with this refreshing cucumber juice. It was so good. I had to grab 2 before I headed to the room. The room is a 1-bedroom loft, and you can check out the full room tour in a previous video. Here's the view from the top. Head on over to the rooftop where there's an ocean view, city view, as well as a bar, a restaurant, 2 pools, a jacuzzi, and access to the spa. Let's go downtown. This is a 5-minute walk with nothing but restaurants and shops. So I stopped at a seafood restaurant to grab a bite to eat. I got an orangeade and a coconut shrimp plate. See y'all next time for part 2.